Multiply the following fractions. As you know, to multiply fractions, what do? We just multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. That is the first step, right? So the first step is multiply numerator with numerator. That means 4 times 2 is 8 and 5 times 3 is 15. That's what we get. So that is how we multiply fractions. Let me do another one for you. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 4 is 12. So we get that answer, correct? Let me do one more for you. Now here it is. Tell me, what should I do? I need to multiply both numerators. What are the numerators? 3 and 3. So what is 3 times 3? 3 times 3 is 9. So I get 9 here. And 7 times 5 comes in the denominator, which is 35. So we get denominator as 35. So the fraction is 9 over 35. Let's do one more. 1 times 3 is 3. So write 3 here. And 4 times 10 is 40. That is how we multiply fractions, right? So let's recap. What did we do here? We multiplied numerators together and the denominators together to get the fraction. So what we did was something like this. Numerators are 1 and 1. We did 1 times 1, and denominators 2 and 5. We did 2 times 5. And what did we get? 1 out of 10. That is the answer. So that is how you multiply fractions. Let's do some more. So we'll do 2 times 4. So I'm writing here for you. 2 times 4 divided by 3 times 7. Now 2 times 4 is 8 and 3 times 7 is 21. So that is our answer. I hope you've understood how to multiply fractions. Let's do 2 more. 5 times 7 comes in the numerator, right? And 6 times 9 comes in the denominator. 5 times 7 is 35. 6 times 9 is 54. So 35 over 54 is our answer. The next one is 3 times 3, 9. Let me write 3 times 3 and you can then write down your answer. 8 times 5 in the denominator. We get 3 times 3 is 9, 8 times 5 is 40. So we have done all the multiplication of fractions. So tell me what we did. So basically what we did was we multiplied the numerators together, right? This group. And wrote them here, right? So times numerator, and then we did times denominator, this, and then wrote them here, right? So that is how you get multiplication of fractions. So you times your numerator, write them in numerator. Times denominator, write in denominator. That's what you should be doing. So times numerator comes in numerator and times denominator will come in denominator. Well, that is the first step. The next step sometimes is to simplify these. I've taken examples where we don't have to simplify. Now in the next video, we'll take some examples where we need to simplify, correct? But I think most important is to learn the technique. The technique is simple. Just multiply numerators together, write them in numerator, denominators together, write them in denominators to get multiplication of fractions. We call them products, okay? Let's move on to the next video. And then we'll do multiplication as well as simplification of fractions. Thank you.